Hi students, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine, doing well. Okay student, today I am going to explain about Windows 7 features. Now first of all I am going to listen. First of all you must know what is Windows. What is Windows? Windows is a series of operating system. Windows is a series of operating system. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Do you know who is the founder of Microsoft Corporation? Bill Gates. Who? Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. But in this Windows is developed by Microsoft Corporations. So without Windows, without operating system, we cannot do anything in a computer. So we must know operating system and Windows. So in this Windows, first Windows is Windows 1.0 1985 November 20. The first window version is released by November 20 1985. Who is developed this one? Microsoft Corporation. Who? Microsoft Corporation. Like this, so many after it will come to the later after years, it will come to the so many versions or so many window versions are there. For example, Windows 1992, Windows 1985 years and Windows 2010, 2001, 2007, 2008. Like this, so many Windows versions are there. A series of operating system to do anything in this operating systems. Okay, like this. And this is the most Windows 7 version is the most popular and most easily we can do in this operating system anything in your computer. So now I am going to explain about the features of Windows 7. Okay. Now I am going to explain features of Windows 7. First one, operating system in Windows 7. First of all we have to say is desktop. Desktop is the first screen after loading OS system. It will come to the blue screen. That is the desktop. On the desktop we have to see the graphical images or small pictures are there. That is the icons. We have to call icons. On the desktop it is displayed the small pictures. We have to call icons. What we have to call? Icon. What is the use of icons? We can use these icons to open the files and folders is immediately. If you click on the icon, double click of the mouse pointer in icon, it will come to immediately open the files and folders. So we are using these icons to immediately open the files and folders. Next one, on that icon we have to say means computer. If you are looking here means computer. The icon is the first icon is computer. What is the use of computer icon means? In this computer icon we have to see in this internal drives are there to store the data here like local disk C, local disk E. These are the internal storages, or if you are downloading the pictures, whatever you in your computer are there, it will be showing this computer icon. Okay, if you have to open this mean you have to double click of the computer icon. Next one, second one is recycle bin. What is the use of recycle bin? When you can select or any item if you want to remove temporary. If you want to remove temporary one place to another place. So if we are using this recycle bin option, why? It will temporarily delete one place to it will be go to the next place. Like it is not deleted permanently, it is deleted temporary. Means here one place we are saving one folder. For example, you don't want that place, that folder. So if you want to change the folder movement, then you have to select the recycle bin. It will go to the recycle bin icon. It looks like a glass. It looks like a water glass model. That is the recycle bin icon. Okay. And next one is files and folders. folders. Files and folders means all the programs are organized in. It contains the data can store in files and folders. Files are organized to contain the data stored in a files, and folders is it organized to the files, means one or two files can be created here like one folder. So it is connected with the internal removal of the drives. Okay, these are the files and folders options. And next one, taskbar. Taskbar, where is the taskbar? On the screen, desktop we have to see, means look at the desktop, all of you. On the desktop, bottom of the screen, if you have to look, this means here one horizontal line is there, that is the taskbar. We have to call taskbar. In this taskbar we have to say, means mainly start menu available. What is that? Start menu. Next notification, right of the taskbar is notifications. In the start menu, left corner of the taskbar and left corner of the desktop we have to see, means start menu, and right side we have to see notifications, means like time, date and networking. All the notifications are available on the taskbar. And next one we have to say, next option, start button, like libraries, next computer options, next windows. If you are minimizing the windows, it will come to here, the taskbar of the screen. Okay, like this we are using. These are the features of some features of Windows 7. Okay, and next one is multiple working of operating system. Next one, working with multiple applications. What is working with multiple applications? Multitasking is a feature of Windows 7, but Windows 7 use the new Windows Aero feature to manage the work with a different program efficiently. Some of these are discussed below. You can use them to work with multiple windows at the same time. Here, working with multiple applications are three types, that is AeroPick, AeroSnap, AeroShake. These are the new features of Windows to manage the work with different program efficiently. Now I am going to explain these three one by one. First one is AeroPick. What is AeroPick? What are the features of AeroPick? Why we are using AeroPick? Means the AeroPick feature help you to have glancy to at your desktop and making all the open windows transparent with a border around it. AeroPick means it can show the desktop windows transparent with a border around it. On that, icons also available. Now, how it will be open on the AeroPick features means, bring to the mouse pointer. First of all, bring to the mouse pointer over the show of desktop. For showing your desktop, bring the mouse pointer. Buttons are located at the right end of the taskbar. Right end of the taskbar. I already show for you taskbar. Where is the taskbar? Bottom of the desktop. You can right end of the taskbar. Outline of the open windows will be visible. When you move the pointer away from the button, and all the windows will be appear on the desktops. So like that, you have to click on the desktop button to switch to the desktop. It will come to the AeroPick features on the desktop. And these are the processing we are going to use the mouse pointers. Without mouse pointer, we have to use keyboard also. In keyboard, we have to press Win key plus space bar on the keyboard. It will open to the desktop at any time the AeroPick features. Next one is AeroShake. This features is useful when you have many open windows on your desktop. When you have many open windows on your desktop, AeroShake will minimize all the windows except the one you shake. Means in title bar right side of the three buttons are there, that is restore button, maximize button, minimize buttons are there. No, minimize button means arrow shake. Arrow shake means so many windows are in your desktop, so you want to minimize this all windows, except with which window you are working, the window will be arrow shake on that position, and remaining it all will be minimizing the arrow shakes. Arrow shakes means nothing but minimizing option on the title bar. Okay, the how to open minimize means click on to the title bar, click on to the title bar of the windows. You need open and shake the mouse left to right, open and shake to the mouse left to right. The windows you shake will minimize and all the others will be minimized. Are you understand? The windows will shake, minimize, and all other will be minimized. To restore all the windows, shake the mouse again on the title bar of the open windows. Next one is arrow snap. Arrow snap option help you to maximize or restore a windows. Arrow shake means what? It minimizing the windows, all the windows. But arrow snap is it help to maximize or restore a windows without using the respective buttons. It also use elements of windows with left to right and right to left half of the desktop screen. It arrange open files to fill up half of the desktop also. So arrow snaps, if you have to use shortcuts in keyboard means you have to click on to the open your file or program windows and click on to the top of the title bar and drag the windows to the right of the screen. Release the cursor. When your cursor reach the right edge of the desktop, the window snaps to fill half of the screen. Like this means maximize or restoring this arrow snap option. It means nothing but maximize and restore option on the title bar. We have to call new feature in Windows 7 arrow snaps. It compares the two files also. Arrow snaps compare to the two files. Drag the other file to left in a similar manner. One is right side and one is left side. It can to compare the two files also. Arrow snaps. And next one is live taskbar timelines. Live taskbar timeline feature is what means the taskbar on the taskbar on the desktop, the taskbar help you to get preview all the open windows. We have to call this one timeline. Timeline of the program icons is displayed on the taskbar for every open program. If you are doing in your computer any program, if you are taking so many windows or programs, if you are taken, then once you can minimize or maximize, it will come to the top of the bottom of the screen taskbar. It will be located at the timelines options. On the timelines options, when you click whatever you are doing on the computer, it will be shown the taskbar that we have to call timelines. The timelines we can open there directly also. Like how means move to the mouse pointer over the timeline to see the preview windows of the items. Means once you want to go another program, you are already minimizing the program, it will come to the program is timeline on the taskbar. So if you want to again the program means you have to go the mouse pointer over the timeline to see the preview windows to the items which appears above the timelines. And next one, click on the timeline preview to open the program. Click on to the timeline preview to open a program. Which program you want, you can open a program. You can also close any open program by clicking on the close button in the timeline preview. Remaining you don't want means you can close it. If you want which program you want, you can open their timeline. So these are the timeline features are also available on that Windows 7 options. And next one is what already if you searching the programs, it will be displayed either in the start menu also. So using jump list means if you are starting point to start button, it will go to, if you want to any program, if you want to any application, if you want to any software, you have to start upon the start menus though. So if it will come like for example, if you are using ms word, if you are ms office, if you are clicking on that ms office, so many types of applications are there, no? If you click ms office, then next it will show in the right side of the panel, it will show the arrow mark right side of the panel, sub options are there, that is the jump list. And then if you want to go right of the microsoft office, then if you want to go sub options, that is the jump list of Windows 7 versions. And next one is jump list from the taskbar. Jump list from the taskbar means already if you are opening the timeline options now, the timeline options, if you want to delete means you can delete, if you want to close, then if you want to that program, if you want to open, and you can do that program on the computer. Now jump list from the taskbar means how it will go means right click on the program timeline on the taskbar, click on the name of the item in the display jump list to open. Like this it will be open means if you are once open means on the taskbar it will show the push pin arrows, that is the a push pin arrow it will come means the list will be jump onto the taskbar. So these are the one of the features in Windows 7. And next one is disk cleanup feature. Disk cleanup feature means what? To make your computer run faster. To make your computer run faster, you have to remove some unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up the disk space also. So disk cleanup features of Windows 7 that removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties your recycle bin and other items that are not being used for a long time. Okay, like this if you want to disk cleanup features are there. Disk cleanup features means how it will go means steps, click on to the start program, then click on to the start menu, all programs, accessories, system tools. Next on the systems you can go means disk cleanup. On the disk cleanup if you click means small dialog box will appear. On that small dialog box select the drive you want to clean up and drive options are there. On the drive you have to click the right side of the arrow on that box, it will come to the internal storage or internal storage and download programs, or it will come drive means local disk C, local disk E, F, like these drives are in the internal in computers of hard disk. So if you want to delete a drive C on that some programs, you can select drive C, then click it OK. It will remove temporary to the unnecessary files on that disk drives. Okay, like this cleaning up of features. Next one is the library. The library features of Windows 7 is used to managing files of different types and putting them under a common folders or files. Libraries are 4 categories such as like document, music, pictures, windows are presented by default. These are the options or categories in this library functions. Document means if you are doing any program in your computer you want to say means it will go to the documents. Next music means music. Next pictures, you are downloading some pictures or in computer pictures, it will come to this in this option. Next videos also it will come to the library categories. And next one is searching for files and folders. Searching for files and folders means you can search for files folders in any of the two ways, like searching from the start menu. First one is searching from the start menu, and second one is using Windows explorers like computer icons. Now if you want to search, first option is searching from start menu. Click on the start menu, type the keyboard for searching. If you want you want to search in this search box, the results are listed in a panel above the search box as you type the file menu. Like this you have to searching one way. And next way is using Windows explorers. I mean using Windows Explorer. In the Windows Explorers or computer windows, type the file name or the search keyboard in the search box of the top right of the Windows. Search will start displaying matching items in the right pane as you type. These are the two types we are searching in our computer. First type is searching from the start menu. Second type is using Windows Explorers. These are the some of the features of Windows 7. Okay student, are you understand? These are the features of Windows 7. Okay student, we will meet next class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.